How to turn off Find My iPhone when it is grayed out. First, close the app, open Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services. Here, make sure that location services are enabled. Now go back, tap on Screen Time. Here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn off all the restrictions. After this, go back. Now tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your phone passcode. Now scroll down. Here, tap on Stolen Device Protection and turn off stolen device protection. After this, close settings, restart your device. After restarting, open settings, tap on Apple ID. Here, tap on Find My. Now tap on Find My iPhone. Here you can see now you are able to turn off Find My iPhone. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.